Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a character from the world of animated series. It was first created by Stan Lee, Larry Lieber, and Jack Kirby. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Thor. Thor. Here we go again. Thor. Thor is a powerful Norse god known for his strength and his enchanted hammer, Mjolnir. He is a central character in the Avengers and is celebrated for his heroism and legendary battles. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Thor, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.